The water came fast and furious. A pair of dams in central Michigan failing, sending water gushing into homes and businesses.
That's the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Massive amount of debris there.
Reducing much of this dam to rubble.
Never thought in my life that the dam would break.
The flooding catastrophic. The governor declaring a state of emergency.
It's hard to believe that we're in the midst of a 100-year crisis, a global pandemic. And that we're also dealing with a flooding event that looks to be the worst in 500 years.
Evacuate the area.
It's a crisis within a crisis. People here are still under stay-at-home orders for coronavirus, but 10,000 were ordered to evacuate. Daniel Hammond grabbed her pets and rushed to the school turned shelter.
We're still under stay home, stay safe. If I stayed home, I wouldn't be safe. I'm not safe anywhere right now.
I'm not sure what we're going to do.
Betty Pankey left too. Floodwaters forcing her out of this senior living center.
The dining room and the kitchen are totally flooded.
The river here cresting at more than 35 feet, a historic high.
This is downtown Sanford.
Entire towns already submerged. Now concerns for Dow Chemicals' main plant, which sits on the riverbanks. The safety of these dams has long been under scrutiny. Federal regulators rated both dams as high hazards in 2018, meaning loss of human life is likely if the dam fails. Tonight, no deaths or serious injuries have been reported, but this community remains on edge, grappling with dual disasters.
Today's flooding broke a 34-year record. Parts of Midland are completely submerged. Experts say that this was so destructive, the geography of the area could be permanently reshaped.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.